Today we're going to find the least common multiple, or LCM, of the numbers 20 and 46. The least common multiple is the smallest number that both original numbers multiply into evenly. There are two common ways to find it: listing multiples and prime factorization. Let's go with the listing method first, since it's faster with smaller numbers. We'll list a few multiples of 20 and 46 and look for the smallest number they have in common. Let's start with multiples of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240. Now, for 46, 46, 92, 138, 184, 230, 276. We don't see a match yet, so let's go further. Next, multiples of 20, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460. Next, let's finish the multiples of 46. 322, 368, 414, 460. There, they both match at 460. Let's switch to a more efficient method, prime factorization. To use this method, we will break each number into its prime factors. 20 equals 2 times 2 times 5. 46 equals 2 times 23. Now to find the LCM, take each unique prime factor and use the highest exponent of each one. We have 2 appears as 2 squared in 20, and 5 from 20, and 23 from 46. Now multiply them. 2 squared times 5 times 23 equals 4 times 5 times 23 equals 460. The least common multiple of 20 and 46 is 460, and that is our final answer. Quick ACT tip: when listing multiples gets messy, switch to prime factorization. It's clean, fast, and reliable for finding the least common multiple. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need: streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.